As zSpace tries avoiding an F in its financials, it's making a clear shift toward a more software-oriented, scalable business model. Let's take a look at its report card and make notes about its real-world progress towards long-term growth, particularly in immersive education, AI learning tools, and global expansion. Because this small stock of a student has been doing some major traveling, it seems. For the full year 2025, zSpace reported total revenue of $27.9 million, representing a 27% decline year over year, while fourth quarter revenue came in at $4.8 million, down 43% compared to the same period in 2024. These declines were largely attributed to external disruptions, most notably a prolonged U.S. federal government shutdown that caused a freeze in orders and shipments, as well as broader uncertainty in education funding. Bookings for the year fell 34% to $26.1 million, and annualized contract value for renewable software declined 12% to $9.9 million, reflecting softness in customer expansion and renewals. Net dollar revenue retention also dropped to 71%, indicating contraction within the existing customer base. Despite these rough revenue results, some uplifting achievements still surfaced in 2025, which saw a meaningful improvement in profitability metrics at the gross margin level. Full-year gross margin increased to approximately 47.6%, up from around 41% in 2024, while fourth quarter gross margin reached 49.1%. This expansion of roughly 670 to 840 basis points was driven by a higher mix of software and services revenue, which accounted for more than half of total revenue during the fourth quarter. zSpace highlighted this as a key accomplishment, representing a successful transition away from lower-margin hardware toward a more recurring, higher-margin software model. CEO Paul Kellenberger framed this shift as central to zSpace's long-term vision, noting that deeper adoption of software offerings, strong renewal activity in certain segments, and customer wins across K-12, career and technical education, and workforce pathways all contributed to this transformation. He emphasized that while revenue declined, the quality of revenue improved, paving the way for more sustainable and scalable growth over time. Another major area of progress was product innovation, particularly the launch of the Z Stylus One, an AI-enabled stylus designed to enhance the company's augmented and virtual reality platform. This device integrates machine learning and embedded sensors to eliminate the need for external tracking hardware, simplifying deployment and improving usability. zSpace sees this as a critical enabler for broader adoption of its immersive learning systems, especially in classrooms where ease of use and cost efficiency are essential. AI capabilities also kept increasing within its software ecosystem. Its Career Explorer platform, powered by Career Coach AI, received Tech and Learning's Best of 2025 Award of Excellence for its impact in helping students explore career pathways through immersive simulations. The platform allows students to engage in hands-on experiences across fields such as healthcare, engineering, and skilled trades, while also providing AI guidance on career options, required skills, and educational pathways. zSpace explained this recognition as validation of its strategy to combine immersive technology with artificial intelligence to improve educational outcomes and workforce readiness. Beyond product development, zSpace demonstrated tangible traction in real-world deployments, particularly in educational institutions. It secured meaningful customer wins in regions like Pennsylvania, California, and Georgia, including partnerships with Greater Altoona Career and Technology Center, Mayfair High School, and Atlanta Public Schools. These deployments are often in the six-figure range and serve as evidence of growing demand for immersive learning solutions in both academic and career-focused settings. The long-standing partnership with Atlanta Public Schools stands out as a particularly compelling example of zSpace's impact. Over nearly a decade, the district has integrated the company's AR and VR technology across multiple grade levels, enabling students to explore complex scientific concepts and develop career skills through interactive simulations. Programs at the Atlanta College and Career Academy allow students to practice real-world tasks in fields such as healthcare, automotive technology, and HVAC, providing hands-on experience without the cost or safety risks of traditional training environments. zSpace views this as a powerful demonstration of how immersive technology can transform education by making learning more engaging, accessible, and aligned with workforce needs. Similarly, the expansion at Mayfair High School in California, where a 36-station immersive learning lab was established, highlights how schools are increasingly adopting zSpace's platform as a central hub for both academic and career exploration. Educators reported that the technology enables students to better understand complex subjects like biology and anatomy, while also exposing them to potential career paths, reinforcing the company's positioning at the intersection of education and workforce development. zSpace also made progress in expanding access to underserved populations. Its partnership with 8 Million Stories, a nonprofit focused on supporting formerly incarcerated and at-risk youth, demonstrates how immersive learning can be used to close educational gaps and improve social outcomes. Through this initiative, students are able to explore multiple career paths, build confidence, and develop practical skills in a supportive, technology-driven environment. zSpace points to this as an example of the broader societal impact of its platform, beyond traditional classroom settings. International expansion is also emerging as a pillar of zSpace's strategy. In Italy, it's been actively deploying its technology across schools, universities, and training programs, supported by local partners. Its presence has extended from classroom instruction to university-level research, including studies on workplace safety training using immersive simulations. The technology's inclusion in a high-profile visit by the President of Italy further bolstered its growing visibility and credibility, prompting zSpace to see international markets as a significant growth opportunity, particularly as demand for digital education solutions increases globally. To support this expansion and strengthen its financial position, zSpace secured several funding initiatives. A $3 million investment from Planet One Education provides both capital and a potential pathway to international growth through collaboration on large-scale education projects. Additional financing, including a $4.3 million senior secured convertible note, further enhances liquidity and supports working capital needs. These efforts come at a critical time, as zSpace ended 2025 with approximately $1 million in cash, down from $4.9 million the previous year, highlighting the importance of external funding in maintaining operations and pursuing growth opportunities. At the same time, zSpace took decisive actions to address its cost structure. In December 2025, it implemented a significant restructuring that reduced its workforce by approximately half and lowered run-rate operating expenses by more than 30%. While operating expenses for the year still increased to $28.3 million, these changes are expected to materially improve efficiency going forward. Management indicated that these structural adjustments were necessary to align the business with current market conditions and to create a more sustainable financial foundation. Looking ahead, zSpace expressed cautious optimism about 2026. CEO Paul Kellenberger acknowledged that macroeconomic and geopolitical uncertainties remain, including fluctuations in education funding and challenges in international markets such as the Middle East. However, he noted that conditions are beginning to stabilize, particularly in the United States, where federal funding clarity is improving. Approximately 10% of the company's K-12 STEM revenue is tied to federal sources, and while uncertainty caused hesitation among school districts in 2025, most funding ultimately came through. From a financial perspective, a key target is to close in on break-even adjusted EBITDA in 2026 if revenue remains around the $28 million level. This goal is supported by the combination of higher gross margins, reduced operating expenses, and a continued shift towards software and services. CFO Eric De Oliveira emphasized that focus will be on retaining existing customers, renewing software agreements, and delivering incremental improvements in hardware and platform capabilities. In general, zSpace also highlighted the importance of upcoming pilot programs, continued product innovation, and international partnerships as key drivers of future growth. The relationship with Planet One, in particular, is expected to open doors to new markets, although near-term opportunities have been delayed by geopolitical tensions. Nonetheless, zSpace remains confident in its ability to capitalize on these opportunities over time.